been one of those hard days today. I can't wait to go and get some sleep and go to sleep and write my book and get some sleep. Hey, what's this? What kind of thing is this? Let me see. Let me just read it right here. Dear Chris, you have to cook dinner tonight. Cook dinner, yeah, right. Like I'm gonna cook dinner or else. Ah! There's nothing here. Ah! Oh my gosh, there's nothing here either. Ah! Come on, I gotta find something. Come on, give me something I can feed them. Wait a minute. Hey, listen, don't look at me like that, okay? This is gonna hurt me a lot more than it's gonna hurt you. Oh, okay, maybe not. Okay.
It's dinner time and I'm hungry. I want something to eat! Where is you?
So you're hungry, huh? Well, I got something for you.
What is that? Is it something for me to eat?
Yeah, look, it's it's food.
Oh, food. That was good. What's this here?
Huh, well, let's just say, I took your cat, stuck him in the microwave, cooked him, chopped him up into little pieces, and now, you're eating him.
What?
Nothing, you want some ice cream?
Yes, I want ice cream right now.